Hi guys, I've had a lot of you ask me how I made the writing set for the DT project for My Porch Prints. So I thought I'd just give you a quick video on some of the sizes and how I actually put it together. So it's quite easy once you've got a template to do. So what I've done, I've got a large piece of card. I buy the big sheets, which is the A1 sheets, and I cut mine down because it's the easiest way to buy it here. So what I've done it, this is 8 inches this way, and I've done it 20 inches length. So once you've done it like that, I fold it up. Okay, so we've got this middle bit is 8 by 8. Okay, so that's 8 inches by 8 inches, and then I fold down this bit, which is 5 inches. Okay, so we've got 5 inches, 8 inches, and then 7 inches. So the 7 inches folds up and the 5 folds down. So it's very simple. You can make it any size you want to, obviously, but this is just the basic system of how I do it. So I fold up 7 and then I fold down 5. Okay, so then I make this is one that I'm actually doing here. This is an order. So this is it like this once I put the pattern paper in it. Okay, so these bits are next, so which are these bits here. Okay, so this is just a standard little, so I've cut this 4 by 8. So you've got 4 inches this way and 8 inches this way. And then I've just made a little tab here, which is 1/2 inch. So that just bends in 1/2 inch. So I've just scored it down there. And that's what you stick onto this page here. So it folds in like that. Okay, so you want 2 of those. And then I've just rounded off the corners here with my corner punch. So you have 2 of those like that. Oops. So they're the ones that go in there and they just fold in and fold out. Alright. And then this is the bit. Let me get rid of that piece a minute. And then I had 2 little pockets here, if you can remember on it, that flip like that. Okay, and then you just pop bits in there. So these bits are size-wise here, written on here, 7 inches down and 5 inches across, and then I've just folded it 2.5 inches to make a little pocket. And then what you do, you just sew either end. Okay, and then you've got your little pocket to pop bits and pieces in. So you've got 2 like that. And then what I did, this goes onto here like that, and that folds into that little bit there, and then I put a strip here. I'm going to finish this one off at some point, so what I'll do here, these ones here, I'll actually do a quick video and show you how I attach them. Okay, when I get to that bit. So that just goes in there like that. So you want 2 of those, 2 of those, and 2 of these. Okay, I'll pop the measurements underneath as well. And then I've got another piece here, and that is just for this bottom pocket. So this is 8 inches, and then I've done 3.5 inches this way. So that just pops onto there like that. So you've got your pocket there. The pocket that I did at the top was just one of the little tags, which I actually just sewed onto here before I covered it up. So that's it. So it's quite simple, really. It's a little time consuming. So that's the pocket at the bottom, and this one I've actually popped some lace on here, and I've popped some lace on this bit here as well. And then I've just covered it in the beautiful papers from My Porch Prints again. Whoops, like that. So then that's just the plain bit. I've just put the plain bit at the back because I'm going to pop a pocket on this bit here. So it's quite simple. And if you didn't have a large piece of card, what you can do, get yourself an 8 by 8, or cut a piece of card which is 8 by 8. You can do that from any scrapbook papers that you have. And then instead of having one that's 5 inches, add 1/2 inch. So do it at 5.5 inches, and just make a little tab here like I've done on there, and then what you can do, you can just bend it over 1/2 inch and stick it on there like that. So if you pretended that was 5 inches high, then that would just come down like that. Alright, and then you can do the same on this one. So instead of doing 7, do 7.5 inches and add that extra 1/2 inch to make the little tab so you can stick it onto this 8x8 piece, and then you'd get the same effect. Okay, so that's it really. So what I will do when I start putting the little tabs on here, I'll just do a quick video and show you how I attach them. Okay guys, well that was a quick one. So that's just the basics of it. So you can make them any size. So once you've got the basic idea, you can make them any size that you want to. Alright guys, well I hope that helped you, and I hope you'll give it a go. And of course you can use any digital papers that you have, or any papers that you have. Alright, well have a lovely evening, and I will see you soon. Alright, thank you. Bye bye.